Let us study pituitary gland structure and hormones secreted from pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is located in a bony cavity of skull called sella turcica. This is sella turcica and it is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is having two lobes, the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. Both of these are connected to a master of master gland called hypothalamus through a pituitary stalk. Hypothalamus will regulate the secretions of anterior and posterior pituitary by the secretion of two types of hormones, namely releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones. These two hormones are secreted from a specialized neurosecretory cells called nuclei. The anterior pituitary is otherwise called a adenohypophysis because it is connected with the hypothalamus through a portal system. Portal system is a specialized blood vessel connection from hypothalamus to the anterior pituitary. Anterior pituitary is having two regions, pars distalis and pars intermedia. In human beings, these two regions are said to be fused or not differentiated. Pars distalis secretes 6 types of hormones. They are growth hormone, prolactin hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone and luteinizing hormone, and as well follicle stimulating hormone. These two hormones are called gonadotrophins. Whereas pars intermedia secretes only one hormone, that is melanocyte stimulating hormone. The posterior pituitary is otherwise called pars nervosa because it receives the secretions from hypothalamic hormone directly through the neurons. That is, posterior pituitary is connected with hypothalamus through the neurons. That's why it is called neurohypophysis. It is having only one region, that is called pars nervosa, which stores and secretes. This is very important. It do not produces the hormone, but it will stores and secretes the hormone which are produced from hypothalamus. They are oxytocin, which is otherwise called birth hormone. Vasopressin is otherwise called ADH, antidiuretic hormone. Now, these two regions, that is anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary, initially will receive that is half the way the hormones from hypothalamus will reach the pituitary gland through neurons only, but there then it will be carried through the portal system and neurons respectively to anterior and posterior pituitary.